What up guys, welcome back on Lunar Trading channel. In today's video I would like to show you a way how you can effectively place your stop loss for basically minimum chance to get filled. By filled I mean stop loss hit. Before we start, if you will find some value in this video, please consider supporting this channel by liking this video and subscribing this channel. Also, don't forget to check out our Instagram where there's a ton of free content to use and of course learn from. Usually the way we choose 95% of retail traders or traders in general to place their stop loss is by swing points, swing highs and swing lows. Well, now I don't say it's a bad idea, not at all, but when you use method that I will show you in the following minutes, the chance of stop loss getting filled is much lower than with usual swing highs and swing lows. Now let's assume you open short position. You have some entry price and some take profit level and of course stop loss level. The way how we in Lunar Trading place our stop losses is above or below ranges, because ranges are areas on the chart where it's high volume. The price consolidate here, accumulate, recumulate, distribute or redistribute, it doesn't matter. The thing which matter is that the price made some consolidation, and this consolidation level is great support and resistance for the price. And if you place stop loss above or below these ranges, price first of all needs to break these high volume levels, which again are really strong support and resistance levels, and after that can fill your stop loss level. So let's look at on it from probability perspective, because trading is nothing but probability or game of probability. If you compare stop loss level which will be above some swing points with stop loss level which will be above some range, logically the range is a much stronger level, much stronger support and resistance level than simple swing high or swing low. Therefore, there's a high probability chance or higher probability chance that the stop loss level which is placed above swing high will be hit much easier than the stop loss level which is placed above some range or below some range. Of course, trading is just game of probabilities and nothing is 100% sure, but you can backtest it and try it by yourself, and I guarantee you that you will see some results. This small change can make a huge difference, and I believe it can help you as well. If you found some value in this short video, as I said at the beginning, please consider subscribing this channel and liking this video, and also don't forget to check out our Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll catch you in the next video.